Somebody grabbed onto your shirt. We're going to call it a double lapel grab. I'm going to provide you with two simple options to deal with something like this. My name is Frank Latella. I'm a third-degree black belt in Haganah, an Israeli reality-based fighting system, as well as a firearms instructor in South Florida. Somebody grabs onto your shirt with both hands. You need to react quickly before they grab and headbutt you, or before they grab and hit you with a knee. This is something that you need to react quickly to, even though simply your shirt being grabbed is not causing you pain. You're not being choked, you're able to breathe, you're not being hit at the moment. We need to treat it as if time is of the essence. So someone approaches you, words are exchanged, you don't feel the need to, or you're not justified to strike first, and before you can do anything, they grab onto you. Now, let's consider this not a terrible thing. A terrible thing would be they just hit you and now you're in a fist fight. Your reaction time has to be excellent. Right now, they gave you their hands. So I'm going to show you two ways out of many to deal with this situation. And of course, there are a lot of what if questions and what if scenarios. If I covered everything, this video would be multiple days long. So we have the double lapel grab, person standing in front of me. Option number one, I'm going to interlace my fingers so that I have little spikes on my hand instead of just one solid fist. I'm going to interlace my fingers and I'm going to pull down aggressively, which brings him a little bit lower. So he comes right back up. Of course, I'm not going to, you can grab, I'm not going to do this big motion. It has to be quick. So I think of it just like I'm clapping my hands together. 1, 2. And I'm punching straight forward. So of course, it has to be a quick, powerful motion to go up. Now, that's likely going to create some space. At this point, maybe that's all you need, to the point where you push back, you're in a fighting stance, or you're able to get out. If he's still holding on, what I like to do is 1, 2, he's still holding on, grab him and clench him. He's holding me, I'll hold him. I could attack with knees, right? Now, another option to this, to completely avoid putting my hands together, grabbing his hands, is when he grabs me, I just come right here. I am boxing or slapping his ears with cupped hands. It could rupture his eardrums. It could affect his balance because his equilibrium is now affected. So boom, attack. Now at this point, could I pull him in for a headbutt? Could I elbow him? There are a ton of things that could be done. One thing to keep in mind is this is going to be a last case, worst case type scenario, in the sense of if he's just standing in front of me, my hands are ready, I'm trying to de-escalate, and I'm trying to get out. This is not something that I'm going to say, go ahead, put your hands on me and do that. Now you're provoking it. You may lose your right to claim self-defense if contact is needed. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of those two defenses worked for you. And of course, share this video with a friend.